me, I make it hot like cops patrolling the block. It's like taking tequila shots, I never know when to stop. I flow at the top, DOGs know it or not. Got your undivided attention like I'm holding a Glock. See I'm stock locked and loaded to rock spots, you know it. With heat rocks, so set up the chop shop, let's do it. Pursue it and step to it through musical influence. My gift of gab's a must have, like auto insurance, endurance to handle the weight when I step through the gates. People know my show is live, that's why they checking for dates. Cause when the beat breaks, the monster in me has no patience. That's why I flip these verses, only killers can relate with mistakes you're making, taking me for a fake when I'm sick like a patient, needing more medication. You're facing the capital I invasion. We put a hole in your imagination. Yeah, you know we came to kill it, you're dealing with straight. We came to put a hole in your frame. No pain, no gain, tell them my nickname. That's why we eat at the top of the food chain. You know we came to kill it, you're dealing with straight. We came to put a hole in your frame. No pain, no gain, tell them my nickname. That's why we eat at the top of the food chain.
I got a whole city behind me, it's gritty and grimy. Hold my street infamy strong in the symphony army. Got the feds watching the movement, they think it's alarming. We're self-contained, I fund my records with Bob Marley. So blackball me all you want, average a dime a blunt.